In this video, we'll look at how to print null values using Console.WriteLine. So what we have is, if we scroll down, we've got the binary search searching for values in an array. And when the value is not found in the array, the expected output should be null. So this function either returns a integer, so it returns either an integer or a nullable type, which could also be null. So we want to, we notice that when we print out this, we run the program, we get all the expected results when it's an integer. However, we don't get null printed out. So in C#, if you're trying to print null directly using console.writeLine, it won't work. Instead, it will just print a blank line if the output is null, as what we got to see here. So how do we fix it? Well, the fix is pretty relevant to what we did with nullable types here, adding the nullable modifier. So let's do that. So we are going to declare result as a nullable integer using int and the nullable modifier, and we call that as result. And we will then call the binary search that holds the result. So this is either going to return 16 if the value is found in the array, and so what it's actually going to return is the index of the element of the found element. So for example, 15 is found at index 4 in the array, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So long story short, it's either going to return an integer, which represents the index, or if it is not found, then it's going to return null. Now, because we made this a nullable type, so this variable is either going to hold an integer or a null. So what we're going to do is we are going to use now a ternary expression inside our console itself, console.writeLine. We are going to say results. If result has a value, then we print out whatever that value is, or we print the string null. Basically, that's what we're saying. So it's a ternary expression that we used here using the question mark. And basically, we're checking if the result has a value, then we will print the value directly, which is going to be an integer. Otherwise, if the result is null, then the string null is going to be printed instead. So let's save and run the program again to see if this really is working as we expect. And indeed it did. So I hope this video was helpful to help you print out null when the expected result is meant to be null. And I'll see you in the next coming videos. Thank you for watching.